Baba and Gummy. This one's for you, Baba and Gummy. Baba and Gummy Part 2. Live forever, living on forever. It's the way that Baba and Gummy do. You know, ill for your nut, man. You know, no alcohol, no cigarettes, no drugs, only medication. You know what I mean? It's still kicking along, man. You know what I'm just blessed, man. Goddamn. Shit don't change.
This is the life we chose. Life we chose.
Yeah.
Life we chose.
Hey.
Life we chose.
Baba and Gummy is for you.
Just walk through the pain.
Yeah, look. Come on, Baba and Gummy. I tell you a story. A long time story. Remember that time? Goddamn, you know me in days. Baba and Gummy Grilla man in the days. Yeah, looking in no trouble like a stepper. Understand, you know me, Grilla man, no one do it better than Gummy. Baba and Gummy. That thing Grilla man, I know the stunny. They wanna laugh and play. They wanna laugh and play. Goddamn, Baba used to get his camera, go to the beach and take photos of the sun rising. Man used to be, Gummy used to be with the garden. Yeah, used to do gardening. Man, now and then getting older. Damn, they're getting older.
This is the life we chose. Life we chose. This is the life we chose.
Baba and Gummy,
Life we
forever
chose.
in my heart.
Just walk through the
Part 2. Goddamn, I'm loving this beat. Yes. I'm loving this beat. Goddamn, Grilla man. Come and get over again, I'm a dancer. Spit it on sound like I'm dancing. Around game, Uncle Bondi. Goddamn, Grilla man, yes. No testing the spit, Grilla man, you this. They living life the one day at a time. They don't think ahead, they don't think ahead. But me, I too busy thinking ahead. Cause I'm thinking the moment instead. Goddamn, yeah, you know me. Could it rock like Baba and Gummy? Man, you know that when I'm rockin' in the beat. Baba and Gummy, Grilla, you know me. When the Grilla walking streets, they be at home, eating and spending precious time together, you know. Just like they say, you only live one life. It all depends how you wanna live your life. And Baba and Gummy, they lived an amazing life, man. Amazing friends, you know what I mean? All their friends, like, it's a blessing, makes me cry all the time, you know. Goddamn, Grilla man, no. Please don't take them away from me. When time is up, But not yet, G.O.D. But not yet, G.O.D. But not yet, G.O.D. But not yet, G.O.D. Please don't take them away from me.